this is going to be kind of a product review, maybe, slash how to set it up tutorial. So this is TP-Link Powerline Starter Kit. It's like an Ethernet adapter. Basically makes your electrical socket outlet become like an Ethernet line. So we'll go over what's in this box. I have not set it up, so this is a newbie video. So for those who have no clue about this type of thing, this is probably a video for you. If you're an expert, probably not. So I bought this for my laser, which is on the other side of my house. It's a C02 laser, and I'd rather use an Ethernet adapter versus and connect to the wall versus connecting USB to a dedicated computer or laptop. So, and since my Ethernet, my router is on the other side of the house in my office, this is what was advised for me to use. So, it comes, and I've already taken everything out of the little baggies. So here's the little bucket with the little bags and twist ties. But you get 2 of these, and then you get 2 Ethernet cables. They're not short, so that's good. I'm not quite sure if it says how long, but they're Cat 5 anyway, so they're not short. And it does come with instructions of basically how to set it up. So this is what we're going to do. So first off, it says you are going to connect one of the Ethernet cables to the router, and then the other end to an adapter that's already plugged into the wall. So it's advised also to plug power line devices into wall outlets instead of power strips. So I'm gonna have to do this a little bit different than I would normally because I use power strips everywhere. So here we go. So I've already connected one adapter to the Ethernet cord, and then here's the other adapter with Ethernet cord. The other thing is, it was recommended to me is, even though I'm setting the second box up and actually going to use it and on the far side of the house, it's recommended that you try to at least set it up and get the connectivity as and do both these boxes in the same room close to the router. So that's what I'm doing. And then I will actually move it into the other room and test it out. So the first one, we're going to take it over here to the router. So I have my internet router. So this is the wide area network cord. And here's I have a LAN local area network cord, and this one's actually connected to a PC. I have it just because I didn't want it going over Wi-Fi. Alright, so we will take the second slot for the Ethernet cord. Alright, got that connected. And now we're going to go back here, and I'm hoping I can do that upside down. Oh, it's dusty. So, try to connect it. Okay, good. So, the first one is connected, and we've got, let's see if I can get a picture of it. You got the green dots going on. Cool. All right. Now, so that's this part of the picture. Now we're going to do the second part. So, second part, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to connect it to the wall and to a laptop. And it says, wait until the power line LED turns on. No, if the LED is not solid on, please refer to fact QT. And we'll look that up if necessary. So let's go over here. And here's my laptop. And then we're going to connect down here. Copy that. We'll plug this into the wall. And we got 2 green lights, so hopefully that's okay. We'll see. And then we'll get the cord and go back up here and connect it into the Ethernet hole. And ta-da! We got that. So now let's check in. Oh, we got, since we connected to the laptop, we have 3 solid green lights. Connected the first adapter to the wall, to the router through the LAN port. We've connected a second adapter into a wall unit, wall socket, and connected it to a laptop. So now we need to pair. All right, so we'll go back here, and on the one that's connected to the router, we're going to do it first. You press the top pairing, you press the pairing button for 6 seconds, and until it flashes. We can't see the flash, so we're going to count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. We got blinking, so I'm thinking that's good. We go over to the other one. We're going to press this in 1 second. You got 2 minutes to pair. And we're back to 3 lights, so that's good. And I think we were supposed to have all 3 solid. Alright, we have all 3 solid. So let's check the connection. Go to the laptop. Well, let's disconnect from Wi-Fi. And then we are showing that we're connected directly, so that's good. It's the Ethernet port. Pull up a web page. Let's go to my website. And there we are. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here, but I'm going to go take the adapter and the Ethernet cord to my back room with my laser. I also have another laptop back there, and we're going to check the connection there on the laptop so that I know I'll be able to use Ethernet direct into the laser. So be right back. Okay, so we're going to connect. We're back in my craft room where my C02 laser is. We're going to connect the adapter into the wall, and the Ethernet cord I'm going to take over here to my other laptop, connect it, and then go check my internet. We're going to disconnect. Sorry, we're going to disconnect from Wi-Fi. Disconnect. There we go. And then it's showing connected to Ethernet. Yay. Isn't that cool? We're not even directly connected to the router. We're just connected through a wall socket. That is cool. And then we can close that. And let's go to a web page. And let's go to Lightburn. See if I can type. Burn.com. I think that's the website name. Let's try it. There we go. Yeah, I had the link wrong. It's lightburnsoftware.com. But yes, there we go. So that means I can use that outlet as my network and not have to plug a laptop or a computer directly into through the USB into my laser. So yay, I can just Ethernet direct into the wall socket and no issues whatsoever. So I can actually design in one room and control my laser from that point. Too cool. I like it. I love it, actually. And I hope this was helpful to any newbies. If you have any issues, the little pamphlet that came with the TP-Link box had some debugging options. So try again if you have any issues. And good luck. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe.